Okay, I am on a journey to try a whole bunch of different masks from Korea and Japan this month. Maybe the next 2 months. There's so many to try. This one I thought it was Japanese, but it's actually from Korea, which is fantastic. Korea is very known for its skincare. And this particular one got in the top 3 of the 2025 Japanese Cosmo Awards, Cosme, sorry, which is short for cosmetics. And this one consists of rice. I assume that's rice bran oil. It says rice 70, don't know what that is. And ceramide, which is pretty well known for its qualities on the face. I'm not a medical person, so I can't describe that in detail for you. But I'm looking forward to trying this. It's supposed to be a very milky one, and they say that it's got 1 bottle worth of goo inside here. And I like the packaging of this because you can take it off, which I'm going to do in a sec, and then you can close it. And there are 7 in this particular bag. And instructions for use. I mean, you can't read it because this is in Japanese because I do live in Japan. It says, after washing your face, you got to prepare your skin texture with lotion or other products. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to wash my face. And then it says, unfold the sheet and align it over your eyes and mouth, ensuring no gaps and making sure it adheres tightly to your skin. And then after that, you wait 5-10 minutes and you remove the sheet and apply to your skin by pressing with your palms. Okay. And then you blend in the remaining serum. So what I usually do with this stuff is, whoops, out of focus. Yeah, what I usually do with this is after I take it off my face, I take the mask and I squeeze any juice out of it and rub it on my skin. Like I rub it on my legs, my chest, everywhere. And you can just take the cloth itself and rub it on you. So these are wonderful, kind of 1 in a pack and ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to take this to the bath and let you know how it feels in a minute. But first, let's open this stuff up. It is indeed milky looking. Oh, looking forward to saturating my skin in this. Okay, well, I'm not in the bath yet because it's too hot, but it's already been 10 minutes. Feeling very moist. Well, I'm out of the bath and I ended up keeping it on in the bath. It must have been on for half an hour. I think I went for a little snooze at one point. So my skin feels amazing, very soft and plump and moist. One thing I would think about when using this is that you want to be near the sink when you put it on, because when you take it out of here, it's really liquid. It's not a thick cream. It's a bit of a runny cream. I do like the way this mask fit on my face. A lot of the time I find difficulty getting the eyes to adjust to my face size for whatever reason, but this one was pretty pliable and it felt secure on my face. So yeah, I like it.